Coming up, a local producer made a beat that was so hot, his house burned to the ground. This story and more on tonight's news.
All right, today we're making a beat from scratch. Will it be trash? Will it be good? Who knows what's gonna happen? Let's find out. First, let's find a sample. You guys know me, I'm a big sample boy, so let's go on to TrackLib. They actually sponsored today's video, so I'll talk about them more a little bit later. But first, let's find a sample. I'm gonna head into genres, and as you can see, they have tons that you can choose from. I'm gonna skip over the usual jazz and R&B soul. I'm gonna get a little bit more freaky today. Because you guys know me, I like to get freaky, ladies. All three of you. All right, so let's head into Soundtrack Library, see what we can find in here. That is a nice sounding sample, but like I said, I want to get a little bit crazy today. This is closer to what I want. Let's see what else Fabio Fabor has to offer us. This is the kind of madness I'm looking for. So let's download this and see what we can do with it. All right, so I brought this guy to FL Studio. I have no idea what I really want to do with this sample, so I'm just gonna randomly chop it up and see what I can find. I think that loop right there might work. I've got an idea. There's a lot going on up here right now, guys. Lots of genius things happening that you probably couldn't even understand. I'm just gonna add a ton of effects to this and see what I can do. All right, so I really like the way this sounds so far. This is one of the reasons why I actually like to use old school samples. A lot of other sites, they have these sort of loops and samples, but they all really sound very manufactured and pre-made. That's actually one of the things I like about TrackLib. You get actual songs that you can sample. You can find these sort of cool little moments and unique sounds throughout these types of samples that you just cannot find in the modern day loops. So yeah, TrackLib has tens of thousands of samples that you can use. I know a lot of people are worried about the legalities of using samples, and TrackLib actually takes care of that for you. They make it really simple and easy. In the description box below, they've given me a link to share with you guys in case you want to try them out. You get a free sign-up bonus, so why not? Give it a shot. Anyways, back to this beat. Let's see what we can do here. So the three effects that really made a big difference with this sample are, for one, EQ. You can see I really constricted the amount of space the sample's taking up. After that, we have Super VHS, namely this magic button. It really does a good job of widening the sample out. And here, Decimo really helped as well. It added that nice little fuzz in the high end. But as of right now, this is just a straight up 1-bar loop. So I actually want to try to do something different for this very end section here. Maybe find a different piece of the sample that I can fit here. So let's go ahead and duplicate this out. What I'm actually going to do is take the exact same sample and then just reverse it, and then play that at the very end. And one part of the sample that I actually really like is right around here. I like that note that happens right there. So what I'm gonna do is just isolate that one little note and then really emphasize it within this loop. Oh, I really like this loop so far. It's getting kind of hot in here though. It's so warm in here for some reason. Now I'm gonna add one small little layer to the very end of this loop just to really tie things together. So let's see what I can find here. This is a cool sound. Let's go ahead and add some effects onto this and really shape it again. That sounds cool to me. Let's go ahead and add an 808 into this. Oof, that's gonna be my dance partner. So as of right now, this beat's pretty bottom heavy. I'm gonna go ahead and brighten it up by adding some hi-hats into here. hot. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's go ahead and add some more drums now. Starting to sweat now too. I forgot to put on deodorant. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the smaller little fun details that no one really cares about, but I have fun including them. There's definitely something wrong here. Oh my god, I think I'm dying. I'm really happy with this beat. This is a pretty hot beat, I must say. Why are my legs so warm? Oh my god, my computer's on fire! This beat's just too hot, my computer's exploding! No!